Energy-efficient windows in Washington, D.C., including specialty windows Washington, D.C., are essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing home comfort. Our custom window designs DC offer a variety of options, including double-pane windows, insulated glass units, and specialty windows Washington, D.C. to ensure maximum efficiency. With our energy-efficient Windows DC and specialty Windows Washington, D.C. solutions, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective home environment. For those seeking window installation and window installation services in Washington, D.C., our team provides top-notch solutions for specialty windows Washington, D.C. From vinyl window replacement DC to window frame replacement, we handle all aspects of window maintenance Washington, including specialty windows Washington, D.C. care. Our specialty window services DC feature sash window installation DC and window caulking DC designed specifically for specialty windows Washington, D.C. Custom windows Washington, D.C., including specialty windows Washington, D.C., are available in various styles such as bay windows Washington, D.C., casement windows DC, and awning windows DC. Our window sealing Washington, D.C. services protect specialty windows Washington, D.C. from weather damage. We also offer window condensation solutions DC to preserve the clarity and efficiency of specialty windows Washington, D.C. Storm window installation DC is crucial for protecting specialty windows Washington, D.C. from harsh weather. Our window tinting Washington, D.C. and window glazing Washington, D.C. services enhance privacy and performance for specialty windows Washington, D.C. For homeowners needing window screen replacement DC, we provide durable options compatible with specialty windows Washington, D.C. Skylight installation Washington pairs beautifully with specialty windows Washington, D.C. to maximize natural light. Our window hardware DC and window maintenance Washington services ensure specialty windows Washington, D.C. operate smoothly. Picture windows Washington and window weatherproofing Washington services further enhance the durability of specialty windows Washington, D.C. Window glass replacement and window caulking are vital for maintaining specialty windows Washington, D.C. Our sash window installation and window condensation solutions ensure specialty windows Washington, D.C. remain functional and attractive. With our residential window replacement Washington, D.C. services, upgrading to specialty windows Washington, D.C. is seamless and efficient. Vinyl window replacement DC and insulated glass Washington, D.C. are popular upgrades often integrated into specialty windows Washington, D.C. projects. Our custom window designs DC include premium specialty windows Washington, D.C. tailored to match your architecture. Trust our installation services for flawless specialty windows Washington, D.C. results. Awning windows DC and casement windows DC can be part of broader specialty windows Washington, D.C. installations that improve ventilation and style. Our window sealing Washington, D.C. and window weatherproofing Washington services protect specialty windows Washington, D.C. from drafts and leaks. With our specialty window services DC, your specialty windows Washington, D.C. will stand the test of time. Energy-efficient windows, especially specialty windows Washington, D.C., are a smart investment for lowering energy costs and boosting comfort. Specialty windows Washington, D.C. are engineered to minimize heat transfer and improve insulation. By choosing specialty windows Washington, D.C., homeowners can significantly reduce utility bills and environmental impact. Double-pane windows are often incorporated into specialty windows Washington, D.C. designs for enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These specialty windows Washington, D.C. feature layered glass for superior thermal performance. In urban settings, specialty windows Washington, D.C. help reduce outside noise effectively. Professional window installation is essential for specialty windows Washington, D.C. to perform at their best. Proper fitting ensures specialty windows Washington, D.C. prevent air leaks and maximize efficiency. Expert installation extends the lifespan of specialty windows Washington, D.C., making them a long-term investment. Custom Window Designs DC often highlight Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. for their architectural uniqueness. Whether featuring arches, geometric shapes, or custom sizing, Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. elevate any home's aesthetic. These Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. can be tailored to complement diverse architectural styles. Window installation services in Washington, D.C. frequently focus on maintaining Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. From glass repair to frame adjustments, professionals ensure Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. remain in peak condition. Regular servicing protects the beauty and function of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. Vinyl window replacement DC is often integrated into Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. projects for durability and low maintenance. Vinyl Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. provides strong insulation and long-lasting performance. Homeowners benefit from the practical advantages of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. materials. Insulated glass units are key components in many Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. installations. These units enhance the efficiency of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. by limiting heat transfer. Insulated Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. are ideal for improving year-round comfort. Window frame replacement DC supports the longevity of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. when frames deteriorate. Replacing frames ensures Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. maintains structural integrity and performance. Modern framing options enhance both the durability and appearance of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. Storm windows add extra defense for Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. against severe weather. Storm window installation DC strengthens the protection of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. from wind and debris. This added layer improves the overall efficiency of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. Window sealing Washington, D.C. is especially important for preserving Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. performance. Proper sealing prevents drafts and boosts the energy efficiency of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. Maintaining airtight Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. supports year-round comfort. Window glass replacement DC restores clarity and functionality to Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. when damage occurs. Replacing glass ensures Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. continue to perform efficiently and look pristine. Professional glass services maintain the long-term value of Specialty Windows Washington, D.C.